everyone, so in today's video I'm going to be telling you how you can make money online, and these are all really easy ways and ways that I've actually used myself. So there's a few things you're going to need for the majority of these, one being internet access obviously, so you can use either a phone, a tablet, a computer, and the second thing is parent permission or someone who's over 18, because there's certain things that you may have to be 18 for, or you may have to be 18 for like a PayPal account or something, but if your parents or an over 18 will let you do it in their name, then you're sorted. And the third one is time. Making money online is going to take time, it's going to take a while to build up, but if you've got the time then it's fine and you're going to make some money. So the first way that I personally make money online is through doing surveys, and the only website that I found that actually works is Opinion Outpost. My sister and I have been using this for the longest time, and you basically do surveys and you collect points for each of the surveys, and that converts into money which you can then withdraw into your PayPal account, and it's £2.50, which is the minimum you can withdraw. So seriously, it's so simple to get money and actually get it out. And they've actually given me a link to put in the description box, and then basically all you have to do is click the link, you sign up for free, and then you fill in a few details just so you can get relevant surveys, then you start filling them out and making money. The second one is selling things online. You can do this via eBay, you can use apps like Vinted or Depop. I've used all of these, and for me, the easiest one was probably eBay. So I just grabbed some things that I don't really use anymore, either clothes, makeup, jewellery, or even some like toys that I've had from when I was younger or things like that. Take a photo of them. The better the photo, the more likely you are going to sell them, so try and get a really high quality photo. You then upload that to the website, add a description, add a price, add your postage costs, anything like that, and then you're ready to sell. Obviously for that one you may need more of your parents' permission if you're going to be selling your stuff, but yeah, if they say it's okay then go ahead. And I've made quite a bit of money through selling things on eBay, and that was actually partly how I afforded like my studio lights and things like that. Talking about YouTube and studio lights, things like that, another really good way to make money is starting a blog or a YouTube channel. Now, you're not going to make loads of money from this instantly. It takes a long time for it to build up, and you don't actually get that much money from views. A lot of people seem to think that YouTube pays so well, you get loads of money from your views, but you really don't. So you can do that, and then by monetizing your YouTube or your blog, you can make money, and then you can do sponsorships and things like that, and that's where you actually would be able to make an income. But the great thing with YouTube and blogs and things like that is you can talk about absolutely anything, which makes it so enjoyable. So you could even dedicate a whole blog to like fanfics or something like that, and people would read them, and then you'd make money. And the final way to make money is through competitions. There are so many competitions online that you can enter. All you've got to do is type in Google kind of competitions or competitions in the UK, and there's prize draws to win money, you can win gift vouchers, days out, things like that, and that is probably the most simple way, but you're probably going to need a bit of luck, and like I said at the beginning, time, just to enter loads and loads and loads. So those are some really simple ways to make money online that I found work. There are other things like you can review music for money and things like that, but I've never really actually got any money back from doing that. So these are things that work for me, and I really hope they work for you. Let me know in the comments if you know of any other ways to make money online, because it's very helpful for all of us. And please give it a thumbs up if you enjoyed it. I'll see you very, very soon. Bye!